Taiwan's daily tally of new COVID-19 cases hit the double figures for the first time on Tuesday, with 10 new cases announced. All 10 caught the virus overseas before returning to Taiwan.
Officials are now racing to conduct extra tests on people who have been in Europe the last 2 weeks. Data shows that 550 people who entered Taiwan from Europe in March have displayed respiratory symptoms. They're all being asked to comply with a further round of testing.
The Central Epidemic Command Center announced 10 new cases on Tuesday, a new record for one day. All are believed to have caught the virus overseas, with 4 cases stemming from a tour group that returned from Turkey on Friday. They joined 5 others already diagnosed from that trip, bringing the total of that tour group cluster to 9. So far, officials have traced 148 people who had contact with the infected individuals.
If I remember correctly, the tour group consisted of 15 people. The risk in Turkey is quite high, in fact, so 9 people from the group have been diagnosed so far.
But Turkey is not the only high-risk destination. A group that left for Egypt on March 3rd has just had another COVID-19 case confirmed, joining 2 previously confirmed cases. Officials are contact tracing 105 people linked to these patients. A group that departed for Austria and the Czech Republic on March 5th returned with 1 coronavirus case, a woman in her 50s. Now she seems to have passed the virus to her septuagenarian mother, who has developed severe symptoms.
They were both on the tour and probably were in close contact for a sustained period.
Patients number 74 to number 76 were also traveling abroad in Iceland, Germany, and France. Patient number 77, who hails from Northern Taiwan and is in her 60s, traveled via Dubai airport to the Czech Republic and then on to New York. 24 cases were announced in just the last 3 days, forming a flood of cases coming to Taiwan from abroad.
2 days ago, we began to redo tests on people retrospectively. There are 550 people who had traveled and who have respiratory symptoms. 136 have already been tested, with 3 coming out positive. 417 remain to be retested, and we are in the process of recalling all of them.
Health officials have decided to recall everybody with cough or flu-like symptoms who entered Taiwan from Europe between March 3rd and 14th for extra tests. They will be contacted via SMS and strongly urged to assist investigations to ensure Taiwan's virus containment strategy holds up.